Greens Property Developers, an ISO 9001-2015 certified company. Greens Property Developers is one of the prestigious and the foremost top leading real estate properties based in Coimbatore. We have been delivering huge residential projects in and around Coimbatore with happily satisfied customers, which ensure projects of real estate values. The Greens Property Developers has now come up with a luxury project amidst the heart of the city. Ilango Nagar Phase 2, Veerapandi Pirivu, Mettupalayam Road, Coimbatore. Greens Property Developers bears this project amidst the city that presents an extravagant luxury lifestyle with an amalgamation of the absolute location advantage. This extraordinary project contains DTCP approved plots and villas with style and elegance, which enables easy connectivity to the point of interest in and around the city. Ilango Nagar Phase 2 is a highly smart and chic living residential area which is an extension of Ilango Nagar that is nearby Coimbatore Mettupalayam Road. Our elite amenities include a grand royal entrance arch which showcases our style and class. A huge overhead tank supplies sufficient water to each house. A well-constructed compound wall gives a sophisticated look to your house. A proper drainage system on both sides of the road. We keep in mind the safety of the customers and provide 24/7 security service. We have constructed wide tar roads of 30 feet and 23 feet with well-branded materials which ensure the long durability of the roads. We have provided these premium houses with a good electricity layout. The whole area gives a pristine look with green, lushly gardens with array of plants and trees. Kids can also enjoy their play area with slides and swings while we watch them sitting on comfortable benches. Apart from the aforesaid easy and comfortable accessibility, it has every modern-day convenience in its vicinity. Schools include Viveka Matriculation School, Immaculate CBSE School and GKD Matriculation School. Industries include Pricol Company Limited, LMW Company Limited and KSB Pumps Limited. You can also get the divine and holy feeling around with well-known temples like Karamadai Ranganatha Temple, Veerapandi Mariamman Temple and Sokkalingeshwara Temple, Perinayakampalayam. Popular hospitals include Sri Shakti Nursing Home and Subbu Hospitals. Ilango Nagar Phase 2 provides you with the comfort, aesthetically tasteful 2 BHK villas starting from 37 lakhs onwards and 3 BHK villas from 47 lakhs onwards. What are you waiting for? Hurry up! Grab this opportunity to make your dream come true by living in these exquisite villas. For booking and inquiry, contact Greens Property Developers and